Hi everyone, welcome back to the Man-Made Handmade channel. Now, everybody knows you can never have too many clamps in a workshop, so today we're going to talk about the Cleco clamp. We're going to go through what they are, the sizes and their applications. Lovely little addition to the workshop these. Let's get into it. So these little clamps, made for the aircraft industry, specifically when working with sheet aluminium for the skin of the aircraft. They keep the sheets clamped together during the riveting process. They act a little bit like bulldog clips, but they are much stronger and the pressure is much more focused with these thin jaws here. So what about sizes? Well, the brass looking clamps, they open out to about 15mm or just over 15mm, you see there. And the copper looking clamps here, they open to just over 10mm. So the throat size of the large clamps comes in around 25mm or an inch, and the throat size of the smaller clamps comes in at 11mm, just short of half an inch. Now, as you've already seen, these clamps work using these pliers which prise them open, allowing you to leave the clamp on the piece of work and then to simply take them off. You locate the bottom of the clamp in this dish here, prise them back open. Now these clamps look and operate like a premium product, but the great thing is the price. Now each clamp is about £2.50 or $3, and the pliers about £6 or about $8 at the moment. Now let's get into some of the uses for these things. So here we have some 3mm mild steel plate or indeed copper, and we want to join them together. We can simply add a clamp both sides and this locks the two pieces up solid. All that's left to do is either weld the seam or drill and bolt or pop rivet them together. Here we are clamping a template to a piece of stock in order to either scribe round or cut with a saw or grinder. When saving time cutting multiple pieces in the bandsaw, some Cleco clamps stop the stock from sliding independently to each other. This also works for box section and angle iron. Look at this, look. I spilled a cup of tea on my t-shirt and I'm having to hang it out using the Cleco clamps. I hope they're strong enough. This is 100% cotton, real thick quality material. The clamps can be used for hanging paper targets and also keeping the workshop tidy. Now I know what you're thinking, his channel is nowhere near big enough to be supplying merchandise. Well, you'd be right, but I don't care. I want to thank you guys for helping me get to my first 100 subscribers. Please continue to like and subscribe, and let's see if we can get to 200. I'll see you in the next video.